Hello everyone, so as you can tell by the title of this video, I will be doing an unboxing of a specialty box from Curlbox, and I'm very excited about this line, so let's just jump straight into it. This is what the box looks like, and it is very heavy. So of course they always pack these little cards inside of the box. This is Miss BB Judy. She is the CEO of Kaleidoscope, and you guys are probably familiar with her Miracle Drops. She's best known for that, and now she's created a natural hair care line, so I'm very excited about that. So basically inside of the card it tells you tips on how to use the shampoo and the conditioner and things like that. And then they have this other card in here that basically tells you what each product is and what it does. So oops. Okay, so starting off, they package this cute little iridescent bag that says Kaleidoscope hair products. It's a cute little bag. I love that iridescent shimmer that's on there, and it's pink, my favorite color, so I'll definitely be using that bag. First off, we have the Enchanted Garden Shampoo, and it says that it cleanses and hydrates with shea butter, coconut oil, and raw honey. It smells so good. It smells fruity. Yeah, it smells fruity. It smells really good. And I love the packaging. The packaging is so cute. Everything is so colorful. I'm going to do some B-roll of it up close. That way you guys can really see what these products look like. Let me see if it has like that pearl sheen to it. And it does. One thing that I will find that with most shampoos that have like that pearl iridescent type of color to it, those are the most moisturizing shampoos. I kid you not. And most of them are sulfate free. So that's what I find most when I use shampoos. Those shampoos are like the best. But not all of them are moisturizing. Most of them. But yeah. So anyway. Next we have the conditioner. Again, it is infused with shea butter, raw honey, jojoba seed oil, and aloe vera juice. Enchanted Garden Detangling Conditioner gently replenishes dry waves, curls, coils, instant detangling, softness, and slip. So, okay. I'm very interested in seeing if it lives up to those claims. It too has the same scent as the shampoo, and I didn't even read y'all the claims from the shampoo, but let me read them really quickly. Sulfate-free detangling shampoo cleanses and hydrates waves, curls, and coils. Removes buildup and purifies from the air. And impurities from the air. Oh, I cannot read. Gently cleanses hair. Okay. So, yes. Okay. Next, we have Magically Soft Deep Conditioner. Let's see. Oh, it's thick. It's really thick. I love thick, deep conditioners. The smell of all this stuff smells so good. I just love the smell of everything, and I did get some on my hand. We're just gonna rub that in here. No product goes to waste, not around here. So we just gonna put that in there just like that. Oh, I really wasted. Wow, okay. So anyway, Magically Soft Deep Conditioner deeply penetrates hair and restores moisture. Let's see. I'm trying to see. Okay. Penetrates the hair shaft to soften, hydrate, and repair damaged curls, coils, and curls. I'm gonna need hooked on phonics. Why am I struggling to read today? Hydrate and repair damaged waves, curls, and coils. That's why I'm getting tongue twisted. Specially created with shea butter, avocado oil, raw honey, and coconut oil. Nourish and magically soften. Okay. Anyways, moving on to Abracadabra Curl Cream. How cute is that name? Abracadabra. Okay, so this is the curl cream. Oh, it's very thick. See if I can like really show y'all the consistency. It is so thick. So basically you can apply this to damp or dry hair, finger through hair from roots to ends. Do not rinse, style as desired. Ideal for wash and goes, finger coils, sets, twist outs, or braid outs. Try layering with the Twilight Curl Defining Gel. And last but not least, we have the Twilight Curl Defining Gel. See, the consistency of this is a very nice consistency. When I tell you the scent in this gel like really hits you, it really hits you. You're definitely if you're sensitive to smells, this line is not for you because everything is loud. Everything is really loud. I don't have a problem with loud scents as long as that scent smells good. If the scent is just like too overpowering or I don't like how it smells, then we have a problem. But I like how this smells, so it could be overpowering. Okay, a daily curl hydrating gel created to lightly hold, hydrate, defrizz, and define curls for the creative natural hair draining. And it pretty much says the same thing as the curl cream, ideal for wash and goes, finger coils, sets, twist outs, and braid outs. And it also says try layering with Abracadabra curl cream. So yes, I'm excited. Everything says no parabens, sulfates, mineral oil, petroleum, silicone, no animal testing. I am super excited to try this line. If you're interested in knowing my thoughts on how I feel about this line, then be sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you're interested in seeing how I achieved this hairstyle was actually from the last Curlbox. It was Carol's Daughter Cocoa Cream line. And if you're interested in knowing my thoughts on that line, then I will link that video down below in the description box. And like always, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And until next time, you guys, bye.